Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day nail set, and I'm going to give you 3 different design ideas. I'm just doing one nail set, but within that nail set will be 3 St. Patrick's designs. So I'm starting out with just choosing which soft gel tips fit my nails the best. If you're ever trying to choose between a big one and a smaller one, I would always go for the bigger one just because you can file them down and make them so they fit your nails perfectly, and you don't want them to be too small because they might pop off or hurt your nail. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just filing them so they fit my nail better, and they should fit sidewall to sidewall just like this. I went ahead and put the nails on this nail stand, and I am using the Beetles gel base coat, and I'm just going to put that on all of the nails. So now I'm going to take this Born Pretty shade JR01, which is a kind of nude, super light pink jelly polish. I'm just going to take it and paint all of my nails except for the middle nail, because that one is going to be a different color. And don't forget to paint the tip of the nail for a more finished look, and it also prevents chipping. For the color on the middle nail, I'm going to be using this solid gel polish I got from Temu. It is just kind of a gold with glitter in it. For the nail art, I'm going to be using these Beetle gel liners. So right now I'm going to be using this green gel liner, and I'm just putting it on a paint palette, and I'm getting a dotting tool, and we are going to do the thumbnail and the pinky nail, a 4-leaf clover. I wasn't really happy with the first 4-leaf clover I did, so I just cleaned it up with this hand sanitizer because it does have rubbing alcohol in it. I don't have actual rubbing alcohol, so I just used hand sanitizer whenever I make a mistake, and I'm just going to start over again. To paint the 4-leaf clover, I basically just do 4 dots, 2 on top and 2 on bottom. And you can just think of it as making 2 hearts connected together. Once I thought about it like that, it was a lot easier since I have made hearts before and they are pretty easy to make. And you just basically fill in the dots and make them a bit bigger so they look like a leaf. After I got the 4-leaf clover to how I wanted it, I just added a stem on the bottom using the gel liner brush. Like I said before, I am going to be doing the pinky the same as the thumb, so I'm just going to paint a 4-leaf clover, and I am going to speed these clips up just because you already saw the same exact thing on the thumb. For the design on my index finger, I started out with using the same gel liner I used for the 4-leaf clover, and I'm just doing a green French tip. The method I like to use for when I do French tips is just draw a small line in the middle of the nail, and then you just connect both sides and try to make it as even as possible. And now I'm just filling in the French tip with the same color. And now I'm going to be doing a rainbow on the bottom of the nail. So I'm just thinking back to what I learned in school, Roy G. Biv. So technically I did not use green or indigo in the rainbow, but I did use all the other colors. I started from the bottom, so starting with violet or purple, whatever you want to call it, and then ending with red. I chose to leave out green just because I wanted to make sure I had enough room to draw the rainbow, and I thought, well, I already have a whole bunch of green on the top of the nail, so I probably don't need to include it on the bottom of the nail if I had to choose a color to not use. The reason I did the blue last is because I wasn't sure if I had enough room for all the colors, but it ended up that I did have enough room, so that is just why it is filmed out of order. The ring fingernail is going to be the same exact thing as the index finger, so if you do want to watch this again, it'll probably just be about a minute long. If you want to skip over to the next design, then you can just skip through the video about a minute and you'll probably be to the next design. So since I already explained this design on the last nail, I'm just gonna let this play out with some music. For the last design, which is the middle nail, which we painted gold, I am just going to be putting some light green and a dark green Beetles gel liner polish onto a paint palette, and then I'm just going to take a dotting tool and just kind of do a gradient dot up the nails. So on the cuticle part of the nail, I'll just do a whole bunch of dots, basically covering the whole nail. And then in the middle, it'll just be some dots. You can still see a little bit of the gold. And then at the end, you can see all gold. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just taking my Beetles top coat and painting it on all of the nails, making sure to cover the tips of the nails as well. So now I'm just going to cure it. Obviously I've been doing it, but I just don't show it on camera every time. Let me know what is your favorite design, the 4-leaf clover, the French tip with the rainbow, or the gradient dot with the gold glitter. I can't really decide which one my favorite one is. Possibly the gradient dot one, but I don't know. It's really hard to decide. They're all so cute. I hope this gave you some inspiration for doing some St. Patrick's Day nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and go follow my Instagram. I will have it linked down below in the descriptions, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.